Hey, I swear every time I try to make a video, I start talking, I'm like, ugh. So welcome to my channel. My name is Cayeslayyy. I do all types of videos. Today, I'm going to be talking about the subject of prison wives. So if you are subscribed for that reason, or you are here for that reason, and you're not subscribed, please go ahead and do so. Well, basically, I'll just get right into it. I'm basically talking today about not forgetting about yourself. I like to motivate women to always support their men, be there for their men, even men supporting their women that are incarcerated. But today I want to talk about supporting yourself. The reason why I want to talk about that is because my husband has been gone for over 3 years now. And for the first, up until recently, honestly, I just kind of got into this bad habit of just taking care of everyone else, my kids, him, all their needs, and forgetting about myself. And in the process of doing that, I gained a lot of weight. And it's not just about weight, it's just taking care of yourself in general. So, I'm not saying everyone whose men got locked up, they gained a bunch of weight. But I'm just saying in general, making sure that you're taken care of, making sure your mental health is taken care of, making sure that you are okay before you can make sure everyone else is okay. And I recently have started to finally realize that I need to take care of myself, my body, because if I don't, I can't be anything to anyone. I can't be who I need to be for him. I can't be who I need to be for my kids as well. So I've started on this journey to living a better, healthier life, and even mentally. I don't think there's any shame in going to see a therapist to talk about your problems. If that's something that you're okay with, it is something that I have done myself, and it has helped me. I'm not currently seeing a therapist, but I have while he's been gone, and it does help. For me, the main thing is I self-sabotage by not taking care of my body. So eating unhealthily, not keeping up with skincare and stuff like that. Yeah, you see me here wearing makeup and I do makeup videos, but that's every once in a while. I just want to come on here and kind of tell you all not to do that, and try not to do that at least. I know you can get really depressed and you can get really sad, and things like taking care of yourself just seem so trivial compared to what's going on, or compared to what's going on with your man. My husband called me last night and I just broke down crying on the phone just about a lot of stuff, personal stuff that I'm going through, and it just felt so good to let it all out. And he was like, why don't you tell me this? And a lot of times I will just hold it in because I feel like I don't want to put my burdens on anyone else, and you can't do that. So I'm just speaking from personal experience, I guess. And I'm sure there are people who are fine and they don't forget to take care of themselves, but it is really important. So I've recently started a journey to lose some weight that I've gained while he's been gone. I'll just be open and candid about it. When my husband got locked up, I weighed about 150, 155, and I'm only about 5 feet 5'1". I don't know technically, but I'm pretty short. So even weighing 150, I was still over my ideal weight for my height. I should be around 120. But I was still okay with it. I was all right, I'm not too big. I fit into clothes that I liked. I didn't feel like I was a huge walrus when I walked around that I do now. And so when he left, I turned to food. I was eating out all the time. And when he was here, we didn't do that. We didn't eat out all the time. We had home cooked meals. There wasn't, of course we ate some stuff that we liked, but it wasn't junk food all the time. But when he left, I turned to food, and I was I can't control anything else around me besides food. And I do want to make a whole separate video on my bad eating habits and what I consider maybe a disorder, but just in general. So I just turned to food, and I was just eating whatever I wanted, whenever I wanted. I was eating out. And over the years, I got up and to my highest weight, which is 215 pounds. And that was in January of this year. And so I've been on and off trying to eat healthy, but then I go back, and then I, like, when I get stressed, I'll eat. And to me, I thought like that was my way out. But in the end, like, it was actually not my way out. It was actually making it worse because I was getting so big that, like, it was hard to breathe sometimes when I'd walk. Like, I couldn't do anything with my kids. I was just too lazy and tired and big. I've since the beginning of this year until now, I'm currently at 198, and I could have done better this year, but like I said, I'd go back and forth. But right now I'm like really trying, like, using all of my willpower to stay on track and keep going because I want to be healthy for them. And anyways, long story short, I just want to encourage you all to remember to take care of yourselves, whether that be if you need to go get a massage once a month. And I know things get tight. I know, especially if you're the only one working while they're gone, and money is tight. I understand that, but find a way to take care of yourself, even if it's like to save up to go get a pedicure, save up to go get your nails done, go get your hair done, get your lashes done, whatever you feel like is going to make you feel good about yourself. Don't forget to do it, and don't feel guilty about doing it. I mean, obviously, if you're like doing that and like neglecting everything else, yeah, that's not good. Okay, hold on. Okay, hold on. See, your kids always come first, but just don't forget to do those things for yourself. Mine personally was food, but like for anyone else, it could be just doing something for yourself. When you get paid, get something for yourself. Get yourself a necklace. Get yourself some earrings. You know what I mean? Just don't forget about you, because I think that's really important. And when you're happy, you can also reciprocate that happiness to your loved one, to your husband, to your wife, whoever. It's basically all I wanted to talk about today. I just had it on my mind. I just wanted to sit down and talk about it. I did want to give a shout out to everyone who has hit me up recently on email and Instagram. I really do look forward to getting y'all's messages. Sometimes I don't get them right away because they're like, they go into that separate inbox if we're not friends yet. But I really do, like, it really makes my day when I get an email or just a message saying that you guys have watched my videos, or like it's helped you in some type of way. I don't feel like, honestly, sometimes when I read that, I feel like I don't feel like I've helped. I've just shared my story. I wish I could do more for others. But I do appreciate those messages. And the friendships that I've gained from those messages. So thank you all. And please just remember to take care of yourself and stay strong, because you got this. And I will see you guys in my next video. That's it for now. Bye.